Hello everyone, so this is Kim again. I would like to now continue the ODOO setup training for those that are more actively involved in using ODOO for the IMS, so for the inventory management systems. So this is the first series of the tutorial where we go deeper into the inventory, and this is basically the user interface that you see when you log into ODOO. So here's your profile again. You log in. Normally you should say here invista.odoo.com, and you don't have this free trial kind of pop-up here. But since this is a test, just wanted to show you a few things to get started. So basically what you do is you always click onto the inventory button. Yeah, that's where most of the stuff will happen. Okay, and this is pretty much the dashboard that you see. Yeah, if you want to go back, this is the place to go back. Yeah, and if you want to go back in, you click on it. So this is the dashboard. You can also navigate to the dashboard by clicking on dashboard. But basically, the first thing I wanted to show to you is about our products. So here are actually, here's an overview of all the stuff that's going on. And very quickly, just for your information, receipts means that the warehouse here, SSS in that case, is receiving goods, either through procurement, meaning we have purchased new goods, new garments, or they basically receive goods from internal transfers. But here's actually all what is about to be received. Internal transfers means stock movement from one location to the other. Yeah, so triggered by SSS going to another place. This is the delivery orders, which means sales. Yeah, so if we have a normal sales transaction, which should not be the case from SSS, but normally, for example, you have sales, let's say here from Gujin, yeah, delivery orders Gujin FN06. This means that Gujin has goods in the warehouse at Gujin sitting that belong to us, but that will be sold actually to Gujin consumers. Then you click on delivery orders. Yeah, so that's primarily the three key activities. But before we go to that, I just wanted to show you where our products. So if you want to have an overview of our products, you click onto inventory control and you click onto products. So here the product list pops up. Yeah, you can also take out this filter, but then you're back to the main screen. But here basically you see an overview of our products today, or in this test scenario, we have over 1,000 SKUs. Yeah, but there should be more. So you can either look at the tile view, or you can also look at the list view. Yeah, so you basically just click here to see the list view. And then you see the Invista product codes, the names, the sales price, the category, which is product category, and of course the quantity on hand, which means the quantity that is currently in those in the overall locations, as well as a forecasted quantity. A forecasted quantity is, for example, when there are goods on transit, or when there are goods moved or blocked, that also is considered here. Yeah. So this is the overall product view. You can scroll down. Yeah, you can also click to on the category name here to have it shown up by order, yeah, of ranking. Here in this case, it goes from 01 to 16, so these were the latest ones that have been added. The name is basically the product SKU, collection name, etc. The sales price is the sales price to the consumer the RSB, so the retail selling price. And then of course you have also internal category, what category this is, and again. So the other thing also that you can do is, for example, you can click on one. And here when you click on one, you basically have more information, such as general information, inspiration, high waist, panty, black, and then the size. You see the Invista product code, you see the barcode, you see the category, the SAP code, sales price, the cost, and the description. And when you click on inventory, you also have more information. By the way, this will be fixed, that will be all in English. And of course, if you go into Invista and you change your preferences here, you can also see it all in Chinese. But this is an error, this will be changed. And then you also have a batch number in this case. The other tabs currently are not at use. So basically these two tabs are the most important: general information and inventory. And this is the information that we have in. You can edit it by clicking on edit. You can create a new product. So for example, when you click create, you can really create a new product name here. And then you add the product type, the product code, etc., etc. But of course, if we, for example, have more than 10, 15, 100 different entries, it can also be imported. And when we import it, you just click import here, and then you create a file, an Excel file with the respective categories. But for that case, in that case, I can help you. So just to repeat, for products, you go into inventory, inventory control, products, and there you see our list of products. You change the view to list view. You have the different categories here. That is just helps you to get organized. And then you can also search for it. For example, you put modernity, you press enter, and then you get all basically products that start with modernity. Of course, later on there's also reporting function where you can also look at the goods by reports, but this is just a way to get started on the product side. Okay, you can also configure products. For example, here you can configure the different categories. These are right now the categories that we have inputted. Okay, and this is a quick overview over the products in inventory, and speak to you soon.